Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how to register for Comerica's bank online banking services. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. So first you open your browser, you go to Google and you search for Comerica Bank. And so Comerica.com is the official website, and you'll click on that link. So now the official website will be loaded. So right here on the right, you see this login option. You click there. And then down here, you have this option to log in or set up. And since we're not registered yet, we'll click on the setup option. So once you do that, a new web page will be opened up for you. And for setup for new customers, there are 4 steps. That is for account information. And here you will enter your date of birth. So here's the calendar. You can change the month and the year and choose the day. So you will choose your date of birth here, and you will enter your primary account number also here. Then you'll choose your account type. If it's checking, savings, there are different options here. You'll choose the account type of your account number, and you'll enter what kind of customer are you? Are you personal, or are you a small business? Once you enter that, you'll click on continue setup. And then you'll head on to authentication, where you'll have to authenticate your email address, your phone number, your debit card number. And here you'll have to enter to some terms and conditions that the bank has laid out for you for online banking. You can download those terms and conditions if you want to, but usually just check it. Then after that, you will create your web banking profile. You create a login ID and then a password, and set up some security questions just in case you forget your password. So once you do that, your online banking account will be created, and you will be good to go, and you can start online banking right then and there. So I hope this video helps you guys. This is very easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like.